Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have found a very fun thing. Well, I think it's fun, and that is to ask people to join me, and I mail them the patterns, to make outfits for dolls using the same patterns, but doing it any way you want. That way it gives people the opportunity to see all of the things that you can do with a clothing pattern. I found these at Walmart. You will never find them again at this price. I went to like 5 different Walmarts to find these. I've already mailed out a couple. I have at least 2 more to send out. And the dress we're gonna make is B, and it's a very simple pattern. A beginner sewer might have a little trouble, but if you went slow, I think you could do it. It's just a shift top with a pocket. The headband is very easy, and a pair of bloomers. The bloomers, if you go step by step by step, are not hard to do. Anyway, if you'd like to join in on this little collaboration of making the same outfit for an 18-inch doll, as you can see, my girl needs a summer outfit. Please leave your name, or please leave a comment and let me know below. And I'm going to contact a couple people and get these out. The collab date will be July 12th at 10 a.m. And all you have to do, you don't have to do a big full tutorial if you don't want to. You can just do a show and tell. Just show us your outfit and your doll and tell us, you know, how you found the sewing and where you had your problems or where you didn't and how it went. We will all upload at 10 a.m. on the 12th of July and list one another in the description. It'll be a lot of fun. For those of you that I don't send a pattern to, you can still find this pattern, but they're not $1.97 any longer, and I'm not sure. Check Simplicity. That would be the line to of the patterns that this came out in. These were It's So Easy, It's Simplicity that were made for Walmart a while back. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel, and one more thing. The Doll Show in St. Louis, Missouri is coming fast, fast, fast. It's about 6 weeks away. I'm pre-recording, so it could be 5 by the time this goes up. Check your calendars. That's for July 31st through the 3rd in St. Louis, Missouri. If you're coming, let me know. I'd like to make you a happy pack and meet you there. We are planning, Jamie at Let's Talk About It with Jamie and I, as well as Darren, are planning some fun events and perhaps some touring of St. Louis in a group. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.